Yeah, hello guys. Good day. How you doing? This is Ife once again. So, basically, I want to give an update on the jobless claim data that was released today. All right. So, let's check a little bit. So, let's start from here. So, basically, we have initial job claim that happens to be the only a very high impact event for today. So, and previously we had this number, which is pretty much interesting. So, from the previous, that was three two three three thousand. All right. So, and this was the release. That's 261K, 261,000. Right. So, and which really was bad reading for the um, dollar. All right, so but most times I always want to um, go extra mile to see what I'll probably be looking out for. All right, the numbers were huge, about 26 thereabout thousand difference, 26 thereabout thousand difference, and I went ahead and looked at what happened during the last event, which was June 1st. All right. So, June 1st, we had a record of the previous was 225K. And sorry, 230K rather. So you can see right here. So that was June. So, and the outcome was 232. That was more or less like a 2,000 difference. All right. So, which was pretty good to see. And if I want to stress this a little bit further, let's go back to June and see what happened during June. Okay, so apparently these happen to be June, and June 1st, we're about to, and this was where the news picked up, and this was what I looked out for. And when price picked up, it did about yeah, about 138, 139 pips thereabout. All right, so that was the move he did the last time. And before we got any kind of rejection and more or less like a slag back. And that piqued my interest to see a 200 and a 139 pips move with a difference of 2,000. So what's going to be what's going to be the scenario when you have a difference of 24 thereabout? Yeah, 24 thereabout, or 25 or 25. Yeah, same. So what's going to be the difference? And as stupid as it sounds, all right, I'm just kind of preparing myself as to what am I going to be looking out for. So, and where should I begin to get some panic as to uh, when I should get out of it. All right. So we did tip an entry early enough around the year, but I took out my profit, so I got in again somewhere around there. Right. So I got in again, and the news picked up. And right now, we should be doing about 200 pips right now, over 200 pips on this. So, and this is what I pretty much looking out for. So, we notice a lot of people come and say, "Oh well, I think because of this, you should get out of the market. I think you should start selling. You should price will drop." Now, you're putting a lot of things into um um how do I put it now? You're putting too many things into the picture at the same time, and with those, it's going to block is going to blow up the picture. You probably won't see clearly. And this basically how I just look out for. I just stood student, this is what I'm looking at. So invariably, if we did 140, let's round it up to 140 pips, yeah, on 2000. So what are we looking out for on a movement for 24,000 difference? So probably be looking out for something much higher. All right, and that's basically what I'm looking out for, just to put myself on a scale and probably just do some measurements, right? So good and fine, we got an entry, but should I panic to get out of the market? Look at these candles show strength, different from the one that was recorded with. You can see these candles are very strong. And right now, a lot of people are looking into selling from here. Okay, price is going to drop. You're coming in with a very strong candle, and that's something you need to be worried about. The candle comes in with strong momentum. So it's not something that's going to go just into the thin air and just reverse back almost immediately. You need to be patient about this and allow the guy to do his thing. So you can see right now, momentum is dying out, but then is the move done? No, I'm not sure if the move is done. So because I'm really looking out for my big guy on the daily time frame. All right, he has shown some kind of involvement into what he's expecting, and pretty much you probably would see how strong the market was today. So you had a first push, a breakout, and price came back into that zone again, and is showing up again that I'm very much around. So showing up that is very much around, engulfing the last candle, despite the fact that this candle is not closed yet. It's not the end of the day. So we still expect that, well, anything could happen. So you could have a pushback, you could have price push up. But then the fact that it's showing reference that I am back is something that you should be concerned about. So that being back, yeah, it was there, he didn't take it out, didn't let go of that area, and the record was still there and still keeping momentum on that trend line. All right. Right now, it's coming in to engulf this bearish candle. So I probably would be patient enough to allow him to complete that move. Then I can now be rest assured of what is going to happen next. Now, don't also forget that when you're looking at what your big guy is doing, what you should also be interested in is how would he be playing his game? Because it's quite important to have that knowledge as to how would he be playing. If you are a big guy, what should you be doing? So you have a lot of money involved, so you need people to buy from, so you need discounts as price comes in. A lot of sellers will start pimping into this area and say this sell is strong. Yeah, the sell is strong, but then on your big guy time frame, don't forget that we are still on this uptrend. So, and it's showing a lot of interest that I am back, I am around. So you probably will not want to take that from me. And I'm still optimistic that price will continue to show that strength to the upside and strength to the upside. So basically, that's what I'm going to be looking at. I'm not giving up on these. I'm still sticking with my buyers. A bullish move, all right? So, but then we want sellers to step in, more people to come in to start selling this. The numbers of sellers should keep increasing. So the big guys will have some money to play around with, all right? So And that's going to be my take on this. So I'm pretty much just staying around. All right, we have, so looking at all these, okay, let's break it down. This into the 4 hours time frame. All right, so we have these very nice bullish move. Yeah, that was nice to notice. And we have this nice candle also push up. And one thing I like about the candle was the fact that the candle closes above these resistance. Yeah. So a lot of says, why is this not your resistance? Right? No. This basically a fake out, because if you're looking at it from the perspective of this area, you see how price comes down, get rejected, okay, move into the range, create that sensation, and very strong bullish move that spike out, and almost a response came in. So, and this level was not respected by the buyers who pushed it out. So this happens to be a fake breakout. Yes, pray not for me, not a resistance line. It's basically a fake out, so it's not important. So right now, where I'm looking at it and saying, okay, yeah, we got a close out of this resistance. So price, open price will just continue to meander into that level and push up. So you might just say, what I'm saying right now doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. But looking at the view that, yeah, we got price really push out, closes above this trend line, this resistance area that has held for a while. So right now, I feel more confident that a lot of people will be looking into selling this. And that's where the danger is. So a lot of people will look into selling this, and this will just sluggishly continue and rally gradually and rally gradually and rally up. All right. So, and eventually will pick up. So I don't want to be so hasty to take out my profit because getting some, yeah, these, yeah, I'm not looking at that. This is what is memorable to me, and not this. I think let me clean this off. Okay, so yeah, so let's yeah, so this is where my priority is. That level is where my priority is, and not this level, because it really didn't confirm anything. All right. So if there are rejection right into this level, I probably will not consider it. Should in case price push down, that is fine. I'll take my profit. I have my stop loss somewhere around here, so I'll take loss. But then I'm not going to base my judgment on this guy. I'm probably going to base my judgment on this guy right here, this guy right here, this guy right here. So, and price really pushing out of this level, I'll continue to be patient enough to see, could see price rally up gradually, and continue to push out. But then, should in case price breakout, I would take my profits right there, and I'll wait for another opportunity to go long on this. But basically, that's what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm still onto presently, still in my bullish trade. So case, yeah, so yeah, it is. So still bullish right now. So I'm still holding on to that level. So I'm not taking out that level out of the picture. So guys, that's it, guys. I hope we'll see what happens, and we'll be able to eventually play along as the market continues to unfold. So thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day.